Hi chat! Welcome to another stream. How y'all doing today? It is Friday, May 14th of 2021, and I have had a long day of computers, so we're gonna do some more computers. That seems to be how it always is. Let me say hi to everyone. The plan for today is just work on some open source stuff, and if we get through that, we might work on some Jacobin CI stuff. We'll see. I was at inbox 0, but now I'm at inbox 6, so time to handle that again. But let me say hi to everyone who is here. The Endless River, hello. You are first today. How's it going? Arclight, good to see you again. JJMC, good to see you again. D-Dels, how's it going? Hello. And Yerum! I saw you join the Discord and you joined and changed your name to Yerum. I love it. Welcome. It's good to see you all. I'm going to be drinking a little bit of wine today. We are drinking Franciello, which is a Italian red blend, I believe. It's totally worth it. Oh, it's so good. Hey, what's up, Broken Mirrors? Hello. Good to see you. Excuse me while I pour a little wine here. Yeah, that'll be a... It's kind of a lighter red. I'm sure it'll be fine. Smells good. Oh no, a name that I can't read. Oh, there's a... Narada. Hello. Welcome. How are you doing? A little. It's a decently sized. Oh my god! Oh no! What? Holy. Well, welcome to the stream, everyone. With Coding Garden, with the rate of 1,000 people. As if Coding Garden needs a shout out. Everyone knows Coding Garden. But thank you for the raid. Hello, raiders. I was just getting started. We're planning to work on some open source Python today. I don't really have structured plans, although I'm just going to go through my inbox and answer stuff. All from Kit Boga as well. Hello. The famed Kit Boga. Ahmed Gabber, thank you for the follow. Matse, thank you as well for the follow. And oh my goodness, let me say hi to everyone who is here because oh my goodness, it is so many people. Icky Sticky Bandit, Andrew Lane X, Murdoch Turner, Majestic Eye, Zedzik, Coding Garden of course, Acid Spark, Paul Hill, Crate Speed, Mark Boots, Zyronox. Nope, I don't know. Platinum XYZ, Hadouken, Ahmed Gabber, Fallon Cato, Dynamic Voltage, Anacodes. I already read a few of these. Dark Wiz, Funkmain. Oh my goodness, so many people. If I missed you, I'm so sorry. Crazed Speed. That's a name I haven't seen. Alright, I think I got everyone. Ryan Hawkins, hello. Sour Shock, Icky Sticky Bandits, Thon Cato, Dark Wiz, Dear Regim, thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. And oh, you're gonna make me say it again. Oh, it's Yaren. I get it. I see now. It's just X at the beginning and the end. There's no Xi there. And I'm Madabulhuda. Thank you for the follow. Sorry if I mispronounced that. Alright, let's jump into stuff because enough of my face, enough of wines here. Hello to everyone. If you guys don't know who I am, my name is Anthony. I work on a lot of open source Python stuff that you might have heard of, such as PyTest, Talks, Precommit, Flake8, pyflakes, PyCodeStyle, Dead Snakes, libsass Python, pyupgrade, all repos, a whole bunch of things. That's me. I also, I've been working on a startup-y thingy based around Precommit, if you've heard of Precommit. I guess I can do the whole spiel. Precommit it's my baby. It's the thing that I've spent the most time on. It is a framework for managing multiple different language linters, code formatters, or general workflow tools. And the basic idea behind Precommit is you set up a config file with tools, versions. They might be checkers, fixers, code formatters, etc. in a bunch of different programming languages. And Precommit takes that configuration, it integrates with GitHooks if you want it to. You technically don't need to use it as GitHook manager, though that was the original idea. But the real selling point is you just install pre-commit. It knows how to install all of those tools in whatever language they're implemented in user space, and then runs them against files in your repository. Currently, it supports about 10-ish programming languages. It's most popular in Python, but it gets used in others as well. And what pre-commit CI does is it's a CI system that takes that tool and builds a purpose-built CI system around it. The idea being that, you know, it can auto-fix your pull requests because code formatters often make changes and you're not always perfect pre-commit, so often you have to make changes or several rounds to CI. It just fixes it for you, so you don't have to worry about it. There's also, you know, no configuration beyond the pre-commit config that already exists. It's super fast compared to other free CI systems. It caches across all runners, so you're generally going to get a fast run even if it's your first run ever. And it will also automatically update that config file, which has versions in it. We might spend some time working on pre-commit CI later if I get through all the open source stuff, but we'll see what happens there. Jimmy James, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Where did all the viewers come from, Catherine? I was rated by Coding Garden, who was rated by Kit Boga, so we've brought all the people along. When you become a famous streamer, stay weird. Oh no, I'm when I stream, this is exactly who I am. So I am a weirdo in real life. So, yeah, it'll still happen. It'll still happen. Ken Kiskin, thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Hopefully you're doing well. Wouldn't somebody be able to implement PCI with GitHub Actions? So the answer is no, and the reason for that is, well, they could if they were only dealing with pull requests from their own repository. And if it was only private repositories. Without those restrictions, it's incredibly hard and I'd say impossible without leaking a privileged credential which lets anyone write code directly to your repository. And pre-commit CI works or like prevents this problem by isolating credentials from the actual execution of code, which is impossible to do safely in GitHub Actions. Even the act of just checking out the code in GitHub Actions requires to use a privileged credential. So, and if you want to learn more about that, I have a whole video where I talk about this. Explains, oh, what is it? I think I would just type, if I just type scam, I think that'll show up. Yeah, there you go. I talked specifically about the mistake you can make while trying to implement something like pre-commit CI in GitHub Actions. And, you know, GitHub saying, haha, not a bug, even though I've stolen so many credentials with it, so it's definitely a bug. Sourshock, hello, hello. What a coincidence. I'm currently learning Python for school. Nice. Where's X is here? Hello, hello. Dear Regim, how's it going? But yeah, it's basically impossible to implement safely using just GitHub Actions. All right, so let's start with the first thing of today, which is a pull request to pyflakes. It's funny because I'm pretty sure this issue has been back and forth for like literal years, and I was just like, yeah, someone needs to send a pull request. I guess not literal years. It's been almost a year. But yeah, back and forth. It's just like, shouldn't be hard. Just send a patch. And someone finally did. So hopefully this is decent. Let's see what we've got here. All right, so pyflakes, a little bit of context about this. Pyflakes does some amount of type analysis because typing is becoming popular in Python, and pyflakes is a checker for correctness issues. And one particular pattern in typing that confuses pyflakes a lot is overloads. Now overloads, Python doesn't support true overloading, but you can hint to a type system that overloading exists. So if you do from typing import overload and have like overload stir to stir, and this is just a stub function, and you would do maybe another overload f, I don't know, int to int, and then you would have your actual implementation int or stir to int or stir, and I don't know, this is just a trivial function. So if you install pyflakes and mypy. Hey, what's up? Gartril, thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. I guess we should also do some calls to it to make sure it's okay. Should be stir. I guess we can just do x stir. What is that? X inth equals f5. These type annotations technically aren't needed here, but I'm using this mostly to demonstrate that MyPy knows what's going on here. So if we run MyPy here, it'll say that I need to from future import annotations to ignore the new union syntax. This is new in 3.10, but you can use it in older versions if you use forward annotations. So MyPy's happy with that, and pyflakes is happy with this because I have put special code into pyflakes to specifically handle overload. The problem happens is when people do this. So this should work. Typing.overload. And again, I put special code into pyflakes to handle that specific case. The problem becomes when people are like, I don't want to type the word typing, so they import typing as T, and then pyflakes no longer understands that because it doesn't try and solve the halting problem. It just, it gets pretty close there. But understanding aliases is kind of just like one step closer to that, and I think that's what this pull request does. Brookmere says, what about some exercise to get warmed up? Recursive implementation of itertools permutations. That does not sound fun. I mean, I could do it, I just don't want to. Also, I tend to prefer non-recursive implementations, but... Codersnack says, what you make it if you do bang today? We are specifically working on pyflakes to handle this case here. Somebody already implemented this. I'm mostly just reviewing this. Funkenner says, I never knew there were channels like these. I've been trying to learn coding for a while through multiple different teaching apps, and I keep getting stuck, so seeing others do this and watching them make such cool stuff from nothing is amazing. Yeah. And if you're interested in more educational content, I try and make a video a day. It doesn't always work out that way. But there's a whole playlist of, I think it's close to like 17 hours of educational content now. Basically just Control F what you're looking to learn, and I have probably made a video about it. If I haven't made a video about it, just let me know what you want me to make a video about, and I will make it happen. I also have a list of ideas because I haven't recorded them all immediately, but there's a whole list of things that I plan to go over eventually. Oh, I thought I did this one. I guess I forgot to do that one last weekend. Oh well. Hey, what's up, Fireball Monkey? Thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Hopefully you're doing well. Python Pie says, int pipe stir, is that the same as union? Yes, it is the same as union, but it is new in 3.10. Soul says, why does it say there are 600 people watching? Because I got a massive raid from Coding Carton and from Kitboga. Yeah, so a lot of people came from the raid. It's me, right? Thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Yeah, isn't that a cool syntax, Cas9? I'm really excited about the new syntax because it means that I don't need to import union anymore because I can just do this. What's the other thing that it enables? Is it just that? Oh, I also don't have to import optional because you can do, x, int, or none. So this is instead of typing out optional, which I think is pretty cool. So I'm excited about that. Cyanheads, thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Oh, and if you want a program which will automatically fix that for you, this is actually implemented in pyupgrade with the 3.10 plus option. It will automatically rewrite those for you. So if you have from future import annotations, or if you've dropped all Python versions older than 3.10, which is unlikely because 3.10 has not released yet. But yeah, that will auto rewrite them. Crazy Tech, thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Hopefully you're doing well. Mauricio says, sometimes I would forget some functions in a library, etc. when starting a project up. Is that normal? I think that's pretty normal. Like I mean, I keep a lot of stuff in my head because I have a partial photographic memory. But I think grappling around and finding where things are and how they work, and coming back to a project after a long time and not really understanding all the bits and pieces and how it works, I think that's pretty normal. Even some of my projects, I don't exactly know how they work, and often have to refresh myself either using like git grep or something to figure that out. Neki, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Brookmere says, I'll be sure to mention in an interview that I dislike recursive implementations. That has come up in an interview before. An interviewer had asked me, implement this recursively, and I'm like, I'm going to do it iteratively for these reasons, and they're like, oh, okay, I guess that's fine. And so you can get away with it. I often find that it's harder to implement it iteratively, but it's more maintainable going forward. So you often have to think about it slightly differently. Hey, what's up, Noxavant? Thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Hopefully you are doing well. Fireball Monkey says, mainly in Python. Yeah, for the most part, I write Python. This has mostly just been because that's what I've been employed as. I have written a lot of C, C++, C#, JavaScript, Go, and some other stuff. But yeah. Hey, Kinbiko, thank you for resubscribing at 12 months. The 1 year club, buddy. Thank you for resub. You also get a fancy new badge with your shiny little silver there. And Coder Snacks, thank you for the gift sub to Evil Gordita. So normally on my stream, I normally wear a button-down shirt, but I'm not wearing one today. So normally I would owe you a button, but no buttons today. Where's X? Hello, hello. Good to see you. I've got a little Where's X reference in my bank today. If you check that out. Marsha's here as well. Hello, Marsha. Crazy Tank says, greetings from Australia. Good to see another dev working with open source projects. Well, welcome. Yeah, 600's pretty crazy. Wait, I missed it. Why is recursion bad? So it's not necessarily bad. Like, recursion is really useful for representing stuff that's easy to prove from like a mathematical perspective, and that's how a lot of algorithms are defined is recursively. So translating a recursive mathematical model to code is a very natural transition. But in a lot of programming languages, in particular things like Python, Ruby, JavaScript has some just-in-time, so it can do tail recursion optimization in some cases. But a lot of interpreted languages don't have tail call optimization. And so recursive calls are significantly slower and, run into stack space limits much more quickly. Whereas if you're using a stack data structure instead of using the programming stack as your stack data structure, you have much more flexible limits and can deal with the performance much more straightforwardly. The GGH Juan? The GG Juan? Thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Hopefully you're doing well. Recursive shivers, yeah. Hey, what's up, Vettel? Hello. I mean, recursive solutions are in nearly all cases worse. Yeah. Yep. Shaz Robot! Hello. Black Budge says, Anthrax code makes Skynet so we can rule the world. One does not simply make Skynet. Night81, thank you for the follow. Welcome. Nice keyboard and mouse setup. So this actually isn't a mouse. If you do bang blue thing, you can learn more about it. My mouse is actually just like a garbage ass Logitech crappy corded mouse. But yeah. Are we winning? We are winning. Shortcuts to getting pro in Java. Oh, I've written a lot of Java too. I don't know how to get good in Java, and then just, my usual advice is just write more code. Coder Snacks says, Kimpiko making my one gift sub look paltry. Out here with the 1 year. Yeah, it's true. It's true. Yeah, we do have so many people here from the raid from Coding Garden and Kit Boga. But yeah, that's why the view counts are so high today. Anthony has finally entered his popular phase. I don't think that's true. But yeah. Whereas X says, do you know why interpreted languages tend to not have tail call optimization? So it's kind of for two-ish reasons. Yeah, so the two main reasons are, one, like, it's difficult to know that a function is going to 100% be tail call optimization, especially, or tail call optimizable in a dynamic language. A static compiler can know with certainty that, you know, there aren't going to be magical fucky wucky in the middle of your function. And Python and Ruby both give you a significant amount of freedom to muck with how execution works. And so like that's one reason, which like isn't a very strong reason. Like they could say like you could opt into you know, a slightly stronger. Oh my goodness. Ethan typing with resub 15 months in a row and 23 total. Or just one up and one after another. And AC Mosca, thank you for the follow. But Ethan, it's good to see you again. The other reason why many languages choose not to do tail call recursion is it makes it harder to understand from a stack trace when you're accidentally recursive. Because you might accidentally trigger recursion in a recursion error, and it will just it'll either loop forever, which is the usual case for a tail call optimization, or you'll get a stack trace which doesn't represent all of the different lines, frames in your call stack. And Rollers has resubscribed at 10 months in a row and 11 total. Man, all the resubs today. It's Resub Friday. Good to see you again. Hopefully you're doing well, Rollers. It's me, Rohit says, I'm preparing for Dance for Me. There's a little dance solace. Thank you for the bits. I'm preparing for interviews. Can you give any tips on doing dynamic programming? Don't do dynamic programming. There's no fucking reason to use dynamic programming in an interview. If somebody is requesting that you write dynamic programming in an interview, you should strongly reconsider why you're applying there. Because for the most part, you know, dynamic programming is not really something that you do when you write code. Unless you're in a very specialized field where that's a normal thing to do. But I would say like I never use dynamic programming. Like ever. Occasionally I'll cache stuff, but I don't know if that's really, you know, one-to-one with dynamic programming. Is that wine? Yeah, it is wine. It's 5 o'clock. That's fine, right? What is the blue thing called again? It's a fidget spinner thing, but it's not actually a fidget spinner. Fun canos from the OG Ray. Nice. How to get better in Java? Skydynamics, super advanced AI that takes over the world. Anthony, this implementation is pretty shoddy, and I probably would have done this section like this. Ideal Gas! Hello. Anthony has always been popular? Something like that. What is tail call optimizable? Generally, a function is tail call optimizable if the last instruction of the function is a return statement with a call to itself. Generally. A little bit hand-wavy. Basically, the compiler can, or a decent optimizing compiler can realize a function in that form can be rewritten as a loop. And it will rewrite it as a loop because that's much faster than allocating stack frames repeatedly. Ain't Lisp interpreted and inherently recursive? So Lisp is a little bit different. Lisp kind of has to have a you know, recursive and immutable optimizations because that's how you write Lisp. When I guess when I talk about interpreted languages, I'm talking about imperative interpretive languages. For functional languages, they're all basically everything's tail call. That's all you really have. Yeah, so I'm specific. I guess I'm specifically talking about imperative languages. And I don't really have much experience in functional languages, so I can't really talk much about them other than they're magical and immutability is great and recursion everywhere sort of deal. That's my that's my hand wavy interpretation of functional languages. How to get better in Java? Genuine answer: turn on the IntelliJ warnings. Yeah, that's true. And learn all the refactoring shortcuts. I agree. Get commit dash M 23 months. It's true. Even typing. Looks awesome. Medwell. Yeah, my mom actually got this for me. This is pretty cool. Putting me to shame. It's true. Cutter Snack says some people are be subscribing for 10 years in the future. It's true. I've only been streaming for 2.5. And I think Ethan's been basically subscribed the entire time I've been streaming. So there's not. I think the only people that have slightly more than that is Sarcastic Dante and Mindful Fox, and Shoddy, but only ever so slightly. Only by like minutes, I think. Hey, what's up, Vilada? Thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Hopefully you're doing well. To Recursive Chat, hello, hello. As Spark says, I had to build some tools for my team in Java before we got Python approved for the install on the work systems. Oh no. What? Oh. Bookmere says, have you ever used refactoring libraries? I've written some. I've used some. So yes. The answer is yes. Okay, let's see how this thing works. So pyflakes keeps track of a scope stack, and we're actually using the scope stack already here. What for though? I think we're using the the scope stack. We're using this to figure out whether the bear attribute comes from one of the things that we're looking for. Hey, thank you for the hype train chat. Appreciate that. View style, hello, hello. Marsha says, I have a 14-month son. It's true, but yours are all gift subs, Marsha. Oh my goodness. Oh yeah, chatbot should probably only take the first argument. If somebody wants to fix the chatbot command in my bot, it's right here, and then you can fix it. But for those of you who have not been to the stream, chatbot does some cool stuff where if you talk in chat and you be here for a while, it will make a graph for you. Look at this graph! Is there one for the bot? I think there must be, right? Yeah, here's one for the bot, so you can see one with a lot more data. But yeah, you basically generate a graph or whatever you want now. You have a beagle emoji. Oh, nice. That's great. But yeah, there's also some other stuff that gets tracked as well, like we know our top 10 chatters, so you can see all of our top 10. Marsha is on the list twice because Marsha has prestiged. Hey, what's up, AC Moscow? Oh, I already said hi to you. Royalty work. Thank you for the follow. Sorry, I missed your sub earlier, or your follow earlier. Welcome, welcome. Okay, yeah, but this basically looks at the scope stack, tries to find something that's the same name. And sees if that is a typing module. Okay, I think this is fine. This looks good. Oh, and for those of you that have not joined the stream before, I have a user extension where when I click approve, it picks a random ship it GIF. This one just is a dog typing on a MacBook, I guess. It's not actually a dog, but you get the idea. But yeah, I mostly do this to make open source a little bit more fun. Oh man, GitHub's new like approval workflow is really obnoxious. Really obnoxious. I don't really like it. They were like, we're not gonna bother solving the cryptocurrency problem, so we're just gonna make it a pain in the ass for maintainers. And well, they succeeded at that at least. I like how we can never catch up. Yeah, right. Marsha is like cowbell. Yeah, there was a raid, Zithrius. How are you doing? Welcome back. Pretty sure that's actually a dog. It might be. It might be an actual dog. What happens if you click reject? Does it show a sad GIF? No, I don't have any. I do. Well, I was gonna say I don't have any sad GIFs, but I do have some sad GIFs. And before I fixed the program, I accidentally posted this one on. It was at work too, so it was even worse. I accidentally posted this on someone's code review while giving them an approval. But these are the don't ship it's. Yeah. But there are don't ship it's, but I find that it's too easy to piss people off, so I try and do it less. Oh, of course this is failing in Python too. Of course. Why is the async def test happening? Oh, did they add it in this test? Why? Why did you bother? Oh, probably because the function in Flask is async. Yeah. Looks like you'll need to... Hey, what's up? Putain, thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Looks like you'll need to guard this test to be Python 3 only because it uses async def. Async dev. Yeah, there we go. Rest in the anchovies. Yeah. Oh, Zithrius has redeemed play typefacer. All right. I hate mid Smurfs. Thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. All right, we're gonna have the most epic typefacer ever. So for those of you that don't know what typefacer is, it's going to... I'm gonna paste a link in chat. You can join, and we will be typing a string of text real fast. Make sure to click join, otherwise you will not be part of the race. So click join, and we'll type real fast. Maybe a little bit slower because of the alcohol. All right, y'all ready? Oh goodness. We're off to a terrible start. Fuck that word. Oh, we have a lot of speedsters today. Oh, damn. Oh man, 4th at 106? That's crazy. All right, we're gonna do one more, as we usually do. If you're like me and only have repositories you can't share work-related and you're the only contributor, problem solved. It's true, it's true. Please tell me it was the cat. Yeah, it was the what the fuck are you doing cat. Hey, what's up, Knowledge? Hello. I got raided by Coding Garden and Kit Boga. Oh no, I don't know how to say your name. Talk in chat. Thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Hopefully you're doing well. Hey, what's up, Broccoli Rob? Hello. Alright, we're gonna do one more. Alright, this one doesn't have the word plethora in it. We're gonna do a little bit better on this one. Oh, D-Delsp, you signed up for an account. Nice. Oh. Ballsed it up right at the end. Still 4th place with 108. The Chosen Fallen, thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Hopefully you're doing well. And thank you, Zithrius, for redeeming typefacer. That was fun. Hey, what's up, Build Gray? Hello. There's no fucking way 150 for Marsha? Yeah, it's always Marsha. You could say a plethora of mistakes if you could type it. It's true. Switch keyboard. Wait, did somebody redeem Switch keyboard? Oh my god, Knowledge redeemed Switch keyboard. Okay, we'll get out the other keyboard. Dang it! I missed it. Okay. Right, we gotta organize the desk. Man, you're just making this stream more complicated today. Move everything out of the way. Because I don't unplug this keyboard because it's kind of a pain in the butt to unplug. So I'm usually just scoot it over here. And then we'll get the other keyboard out. Oh, was the point that you wanted me to do a type racer using the second keyboard? Because I guess we could do one more. I guess we could do one more free type racer for y'all. All right. Hopefully we got a little doo-doo-doo. Where's my feet? Alright. This one has much more satisfying keyboard sounds than the other one. Alright, we're gonna do one more type racer. One more type racer. Even though I've been typing all day. We'll do one more. Oh. Wait a minute. People are still racing on my type racer. I guess I have to wait for the next one. For those that don't know, we already know who will win. Yeah, it's true. Marsha always wins. Marsha always wins. My teammates go, I want to automate this. Sure, I'll put it on the list. As one drinks, one becomes forgetful of everything. I know, I was reading that and I was like, I wonder. You need to do another type racer just for the type racer. That's why we're teaming. Okay, I'll do it. I'll do it. It'll happen. Alindy says, I missed the first race. How was it? I was in 4th place and I had 106. So like, there were some speedsters. I'm gonna click join race right after this one ends. Mindful Fox! How's it going, buddy? Speaking of Mindful Fox, we were talking about Mindful Fox a little bit earlier. Hello, welcome back. Senor Python. Mr. Python! Zither says, when did you hit 10k followers? I think I hit it last stream for the second time. I had hit 10k followers before. Okay, join. Alright. Oh no, it's making me do this one again. Alright, we're just gonna let this one... I was gonna count it to 0. We're just gonna let it not go. Macrochet, thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Hopefully you're doing well. Okay, it'll let me join in a second. Oh, we got somebody with a custom car. Oh, that's fancy. Alright. One more on this keyboard. Without proper warm-up. We'll see how it goes. I can usually hit 130 on this keyboard, but we'll see, because I haven't had any warm-up. Yeah, I'm inebriated. $111. $111. That was alright. Yeah, it was from the Shawshank Redemption. Anyway, there we go. We got it with the other keyboard. Thank you for the redeems, Zithrius and Knowledge. Appreciate that. Kid Crab says the concentration. It's true. I have a very, like, resting bitch face while concentrating. It happens when I play violin, too. I just look really fucking angry when I play violin. But yeah, MVX James, thank you for the follow. Or is it MVX Jooms? Thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Hopefully you're doing well. 99 words per minute, just shy of 100. Oh man, very close. Anthony hunkered in the shade drinking his wine. What keyboard is this? This is the 87 key, code V3, 10 keyless. This is... I actually have 2 of these keyboards. One, I use one of these at work because a subscriber bought this for me, and I liked it so much that I bought another one. Kid Queb, thank you for the resub at 6 months. Whoa, it's been 6 months already, Kid Queb. Holy shit. Well, you get a fancy new badge, and it's good to see you again. Kid Queb is also a programmer, so if you want to check out Kid Queb, there's the channel. Go give him a follow. Go do it. Do it. These are clears, which I really like clears. Fox says 500 viewers. Did I miss the hot tub stream? No, we got a massive raid from Coding Garden and from Kitboga today. So that's where all the viewers came from while I was doing my intro. So I was just like, and here's the wine. But yeah, we are planning to do a cheeky hot tub stream, just to be funny mostly. You must have some strong fingers. Oh yeah, we sit here and do our finger reps. Don't put the plushies in the hot. Oh wait, what am I gonna do with the plushies? I didn't think about the plushies. Might as well be a hot tub stream. No, it's gonna be funny. It's gonna be funny. Put Orbeez in there. You gotta ride an inflatable. I was just gonna sit in the tub on a laptop and code. You know. Need a water Pokemon plushie? You don't have any water Pokemon. Well, I only have a dark type, I guess. I used to have a fire type. But now I just have a dark type. Alright. So this patch is fine, but... Oh my god, where do I even put my drink? You have a substitute, just pretend it's a Kyogre behind a sub. It's true. But Bub the sub could be a Kyogre, we just don't know. Oh man. I guess I can talk about this. I'm not going to talk about specifically who it was, but I'll talk about this generically. If you want some open source spice. So somebody contributed to one of the repositories that I maintain recently, and their contribution was essentially 0. They like changed a number in a file that didn't really change anything, but was like something that, you know, okay, you upgraded a number to a different number. And immediately after their trivial patch got merged, they reached out to the core devs and said, hey, I made a contribution. Can I get the commit bit? And we're like, what? No. You show up out of nowhere and change something that requires no coding skill and you expect the commit bit? and I went through his profile, and this guy's been doing this on, you know, hundreds of projects. Just like Rails was one of the projects. He edited their package.json and like added some new line or something and was like, hey, here's a contribution, added themselves to the maintainer list, and was like, hey, can I have maintainer bit here? And everyone's like, what the fuck? No. Commit bit. Oh, so when I say commit bit, it's a... I should stop saying commit bit because it's not easy to understand. Committer privilege, we'll put it that way. The reason people call it commit bit is it's, you know, a boolean permission. Either you have it or you don't, so it's 1 bit. So if you have the commit bit, you can commit. Maintainer privilege, essentially. Yeah, they've been going to like hundreds of repositories, making these useless pull requests, and then asking for commit privileges. It's just fucking insane. I think, so the rest of his profile is that he's a security researcher. So I think what he's trying to do is inject into supply chain and, you know, have... inject malicious code such that he can get security bounties from people using those particular piece of code. I think that's what's trying to happen, but I don't really know. I don't really know what's going on there. I don't know that he wanted to get recognition, because like you can still say that you merged something into popular project, whether or not you have maintainership of it. So like his profile has a bunch of merged pull requests in a bunch of projects, but like none of them required programming skill. Did he commit to the Linux kernel yet? Is this a Minnesota person? They do not appear to be from Minnesota. They do not appear to be from the US. So, but I know what you're referencing. You're referencing the researchers that tried to get into Linux kernel. But they are not that person. Foreign hacker ? Yeah, the foreign hacker man. This one is a question. Ways to set failed fast. So this is in pre-commit to false when using pre-commit run dash all files dot. Is that dot not meant to be here? Because that doesn't work. That's not how that works. I see commit in the, but not from the help. It's right there. It's right up at the top. I see it in the help. Question mark. It's right up at the top. Did you see that? It fucking moved on me. What? Why did it do that? That's so annoying. D-Down says I need to investigate this helicopter. There's a helicopter outside. Trying to introduce vulnerabilities in the projects? Yeah, it might be. There's a Minnesota person. So the story behind the Minnesota thing is a group of researchers at the University of Minnesota tried to commit malicious patches into the Linux kernel. Some of them got accepted, but then were withdrawn or something. I don't know, but it was a whole hullabaloo where like people were pissed that that they were essentially trying to, you know, do research about how easy it would be to inject bad code into extremely popular projects. But yeah. Hey, what's up, Coder? Hello, hello. How's it going, Jank Dev? Can't wait until they hit the PyDis repo. Wait, what's PyDis? Was that a project that you maintain? Oh, I see. Nice. Person in Minnesota voted Trump. Maybe. They might. I don't know that they did. Because I don't know. There's a lot of, you know, in general people that go to universities don't necessarily come from the U.S. So I don't know if that's possibly true. Does Control Enter press the comment button for you? I think it does. I usually do that on accident instead of intentionally. But yeah. We get a lot of bug reports where the requester has an error due to using 3+ old versions. Oh my god. Yeah, that happens a lot. I get that a lot too. Oh, Python Discord. I see. Python Pie says I'm a Python Discord staff member. Oh, cool. Oh, we got a few Python Discord staff members in here. Nice. GitHub.com/ Wait, what is org/? Oh, okay, it's a redirect. I was gonna say, I've not seen that URL before. That might be an old URL. Oh yeah, I think somebody reached out to me because something, yeah. Because of this. Someone was complaining about this, I think. Ugh. Pipenv. Gross. Felon says, trying to decide between staying here a little while longer and getting some sleep. I think I'll stay here. It's really fun. Well, I'm glad you're enjoying it. Don't lose too much sleep over my stream though. Rainy Day Tomorrow says, I'm actually kind of surprised you own a wine glass. I have like 6 wine glasses. Why are you surprised? Because I mostly drink beer? Is that why? Man, you know what'd be really mean is after I'm already drinking, I just open W3 schools, then you all have to drink. We're switching to poetry? Okay. Cool. Dino says, so the KC Board of Police Commissioners helicopter been flying overhead for 20 minutes. Huh, weird. Brookmage says, what's the dealio with Python and Apple Silicon? Is it all around compatible? So there's 2 forms of Python that work on M1 Plus chips. So there's still the x86-64, which can be run in Rosetta. But there are native builds of 392 and above that work natively on M1. The problem is most of the extension modules have not been rebuilt for the M1 processor. So you're going to have to build a lot of shit from source. Like if you want to use NumPy, good luck, have fun. Although maybe NumPy does by now. Oops. I did Command T because I have to deal with this stupid Mac at work. Simple NumPy. See if they have Universal 2 or ARCs. Well, actually, I don't even know what the new tag is for new macOS ones. I hit that loop there. Looks like they don't have... Yeah, so if you want to use anything interesting, like, you probably should have a look. Hey, what's up, Chow Papaya? It's been a while. Good to see you again. Do all programming languages have a Discord? Probably most of the popular ones? I don't know. Alternatively, on M1, use parallels and a VM. Yeah, that might be one. NumPy? That's... I mean, I don't use NumPy, but, like, if you don't have NumPy, good luck, have fun. Helicopter flight path. Wait, is this from, like... Whoa. Weird? How did you get this? There are problem domains where this is reasonable and some where this is not. NumPy or NumP? Well, I don't really use it, so I don't quite know the proper pronunciation, but I say NumPy. If you do want something that I am opinionated about, check out this first link here regarding pronunciations. Oh, and my coworkers all get this wrong every single time. It drives me nuts. I'm slowly training them. Like, anytime they say it wrong, I'll be like, it's PyPI. It's PyPI. And, they're getting better, but it's one of those ticks. It really gets me. It's PP? Yeah, it's PP. Yep. 100%. Yep. You upload your packages to PP. Exactly. 100%. Alright, what is the next on our list? Oh, this one's super easy. Someone is adding another tool to pre-commit. LaTeX hooks. Yeah, this is another one where it's like, well, that's not how I would have pronounced it, but some math dudes were like, yeah, bro, it's French. It's pronounced LaTeX. It's like, alright, fine. We'll call it LaTeX. Alright, let's see what they have done here. Wow, they got a lot of stuff in here. Oh, they're using pre-commit CI. Oh, cool. Cool. Oh my god, they have so many things. Neat. How does it work, though? Dual license? Man, this person is going all out. Oh, Rust? Are they implemented in Rust? Oh, that would be cool. pygrab, 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 pygrab. Where's the Rust? I expected Rust. Python. Rust! Hey! Wow, a bunch of different languages. Cool. Neat. It's a little aggressive. What happened in 3.8.0? Is that when Rust was added? Or 2.8.0? 2.8.0. Sorry for the dings. .NET. Oh, maybe they're looking for the negate option. I bet that's what it is. Yeah. No. Yeah. Oh, look. There's a user in chat. AKA my brother. Cool, this looks fine. So they get another... Is it gonna be a cat? Or is it gonna be a Pikachu? It's kitties! It's, what is this cat called? This cat's, like, super popular. But I think it's dead now. Rip. What is this cat? What is this cat's name? Maru! Yeah, it's Maru. It's Maru. Yep. Upstream to pee-pee, right, Mindful Fox? Coder Snack says, hearing you pronounce all these variations is a major lol. Yeah, exactly. It's pronounced Target, not Target. Yeah, exactly. Yeah. I say Target. It's Jason. Jason is a name, yeah. Iron and oxygen. You're not wrong, Kinbiko. That is what Rust is made of. Obviously, Rust is a fork of Iron Python. Kimiko says, my coworker has a cat called Maru. It is very popular in meetings. Oh. It's pronounced Java, not Java. Yeah, exactly. Cats aren't inclusive. Oh no. Oh, see, this fucking shit again. I gotta click this damn button. I could have just merged this, but no. Instead of, you know, GitHub actually implementing crypto protection, which is not that hard. Like, I say it's not that hard, but it realistically, you could see that a job usually takes some amount of time. And whoa, that's new. Did you see that? I didn't touch anything. It just animated into view. That's kind of cool. But really what they could do is notice how long normal jobs take and then just time out at that, like that plus times 1.5 or something. And prevent, you know, brand new users for modifying GitHub Actions files. Now granted they could get around that by just modifying code in the repository. So like it's not perfect, but it would make it, you know, at least slightly more difficult to abuse. Also, they could just like look at CPU usage over jobs and just terminate ones that have, you know, unexpected CPU usage. This is how most other CI systems handle this, so I don't see why GitHub was like, oh, well, we're just going to make it hard for maintainers instead. Henrique Gasgas, thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Hopefully you are doing well. Brookamir says, look at the smaller cat mounting this larger cat. It fills me with joy. Yeah. Yeah. That's pretty good. Okay. And merge. Z's PR. Oh man, we got a lot of easy ones today. We have two difficult ones at the end though, so we'll see what happens. It's called Googling, not programming hobbies. Yeah. Pronounce JavaScript too, but I'm going to be an asshole and say it's pronounced ECMAScript. Oh yeah. Yep, the Groundsville there. It's true, it's true. You're not wrong. Ellen kind of says, my friend's new kitten pounced on her laptop during a video call and launched the laptop on the side of her bed. Oh no. When I was taking care of Tofu's usually too timid to jump up on things. But Tofu really wanted to get up on my bed, and I was fucking around my laptop on my bed, and Tofu kept poking her head up and was like, "I'm here. Why aren't you giving me attention? I'm here." And then eventually she was just like, "Fuck this," and just jumped right up. Well, the only reason that she got up onto the bed here was she launched off of a plushie that was on the floor. So she like bounced off of a plushie onto the bed, and then the reason I'm saying this is she jumped on my laptop and pressed a bunch of buttons. How is there no Tofu command? I mean, Tofu's not my puppy, so I don't know. We can look at Instagram. Is it the Tofergie? Something like that. Yeah, this is Tofu. These are my feet. Oh no, chat! You can see my feet. Look at the. Oh, I don't have an Instagram, so oh well. There's Tofu. Anyway, there's Tofu. And yeah, there's my feet, Marsha. Just for you, just for you. But yeah, Tofu's a little pupperoo. Kitten cat. I don't have a cat. I don't have a dog either. But sometimes I take care of Tofu. How many channel points do the cat? I don't have a cat. Why are there no mounds of cat hair on the bed? Must be a fake story. Tofu's a puppy, but there are. I've vacuumed my house 3 times since Tofu left, and I still keep finding dog hair everywhere. Don't tell my landlord. Well, actually, maybe do tell my landlord. Because I would love to get evicted instead of having to pay rent for the next 3 months when I plan to move out. But yeah. Wikifeet.com. Oh no. Oh no. Does this exist already? Okay. Dodged a bullet there. Dodged a bullet on that one. There are ways to get evicted. I'm sure. Won't you be on the streets? Maybe, Crow. But I think I would be fine. You just open Wikifeet on street. I feel like Wikifeet, it's my own feet. How is that going to be a problem? I don't have lewds of my feet on the internet. Wow, I should not have paused in that way. That made it seem like I do have lewds of my feet. Anyway, okay. This is done now, so we can... Oh, wait, I didn't even review this. Let's review this. So what does this do here? I don't think this is quite right. Also, the music has stopped. I do agree this is right. I don't think this is necessary. Do people make Jenkins files that are just .jenkins? I don't think this is necessary due to the extensions listed above. I could be wrong here. So, question mark. Yeah, star.jenkins. Okay, so I don't think they need that. Yeah, I think they can remove that line. Oh my god, what? Just start a fire or something? Yeah. Bookmere says, I'm backing up that site. It will never be seen online again. Oh no. Oh no. Some people really need a bonk. You're right, Neurom. You're right. You're right. Well, just bonk them. JSONnet, is this female JSON? JSONnet is a... I feel like it's a structured templating language based on JSON. Or is it a... What is it? Data templating language. Yeah, see? That was right. It's... It seems cool. It seems both too powerful and not powerful enough at the same time. Yeah, like this... I don't know. It seems like it could be good. Deep Mind. Fucking funny project name. We need to get a horny person. Yeah. Coder Snack says, what's your opinion on noob open source contribution? Should people just stay away until they can confidently contribute? No. I think anyone can contribute to open source, despite what I said earlier about the person that I was like, why are they asking for the commit pit? I have a video here where I go over my recommendations for how to get started in open source and kind of give advice about, you know, what sort of projects to look for, what kind of things people, you know, projects you use are using, etc., etc. And this is kind of my advice for getting started in open source. And I think anyone can do that. People use .jenkins for folders now. That still won't match. That still won't match in identify. Identify only looks at file names, not the full file path. What's up, Odioses? Thank you for the follow. Oh, and Roman BB. Sorry, I missed your follow. Welcome, welcome. Is Jenkins DSL groovy? Yes, it is groovy script. Yes. Wait, what did I get bonked for? What did I do? Why do you have a me daddy emote, Pythonic Pie? What? Seems like JavaScript and JSON had a baby. Yeah, it's true, it's true. Kimbika. I'm scared I'll be in somebody who's just chatting like the dude you just mentioned. No, I wouldn't worry about it. Just like, don't ask for things that you don't deserve, basically. But making contributions is always welcome. I wouldn't really, I wouldn't worry so much about that. But like emailing the maintainers and be like, hey, can I have approval and merge permissions on your repository? Don't do that. I don't think I have the mop emotes. No one has. No, I don't have mop emotes. I don't, Marsha. I do not have them. Okay, that one's done. All right, now we get to the complicated one. Now we get to the complicated one. Zither says, hey Anthony, it's code. I haven't contributed at all to Prigmate. Can I have merge? No. Nice try. Nice try, Zithrius. Good try. Why did he reply to this one? Marco's sometimes on the stream. Oh, and Marco sponsors me. That's also true. If you want to sponsor, I don't have a link for it. I guess I could type it out. If you want to sponsor me on GitHub, sponsors/history. Anyway, it has better conversion rate than Twitch subs. Okay, let's see what happens here. Replace dict brackets. Gotta be careful and say dict. Do I use the word dummy elsewhere in the project? I should probably use the word placeholder. Just because we don't want to be ableist. Okay, I deserve that bonk. It was kind of borderline, but I kind of deserved it. Ah, damn it. I do use it elsewhere. Shit. Well... Soul says, Anthony, if you had a product manager / owner take a vacation 2 months before an MVP launch, 2 months? Are they going to be gone for the whole 2 months? 2 weeks? Are they going to be gone for the whole 2 weeks? So here's the like conflicting thoughts I have about vacation. My thought is if a person is so important that they cannot take vacation without impacting a project, the company has failed. And it's not on the individual to schedule their vacations at a convenient time. Because I believe that if a company has not hired sufficient people to handle the workload that that person would have needed to handle, they have fucked up, not the person, not the individual. Like, an individual is entitled to their vacation, and they can take it whenever they want. That's my opinion there. Hey, what's up, Gemboring? Thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. That said, taking vacation at a last minute's notice and without a plan to handle previously agreed to work, unless it is an emergency, I think that's on the employee. I realize that there are situations where you can take both of the two things that I've just said and make them conflicting. And that's the gray area where it's difficult to make a decision, and you really just have to handle it case by case. But for the most part, like, you know, companies exploit workers enough, like, let them have their fucking vacation. And if you're gonna overwork them and make them single points of failure, that's your fault. Hire more fucking people. But yeah. I use a tool at work called... I don't know what that's supposed to be or why it would be something that you have to read carefully, but I'm just not going to read it at Athens Park, because maybe I don't understand. They're taking vacation and launched in 2 weeks. That's probably fine. Single point of failure, not like this, yeah. It also makes the company vulnerable to the lottery/bus problem. Yeah, if you're taking N days of leave, let everyone know 2 times N days in advance. It's my ref policy. Yeah, but like, I still think that, like, you know, that is a courtesy. It is not a requirement. Exploited feels like an understatement. Yeah. Bible Fox says, "Tell him, Queen." You say it fast, it sounds like something you don't want to say at work. I still don't know what it is. As a former single point of failure who never got to enjoy vacation due to that, 100% agree. Yeah, unfortunately, I've kind of been a single point of failure, like, everywhere. And whenever I leave a company, they're like, oh fuck, what do we do now? But they get over it. They hire more people. They make it happen. They realize that, you know, they've put themselves in this situation, but, you know, that's the way things go. Let me just update these so that they don't... Then I can... Well, you know... You know we're about to do chat. No, we're not gonna all repost here. We're just gonna... Well, actually, yeah, you're right. We should probably all repost grep dash I. Make sure there aren't other places I need to fix this as well. Oh boy. We can skip PyTest. Oh, Gemborg, thank you for the follow. And Coder Snacks, thank you for the subscription. Appreciate that. Welcome, welcome. Shit. I have ableist language in my code. I need to fix this. Damn it. I wanted to use those cool emotes. Yeah, now you can have the Python. Actually, let's just do this. I'll show you all of them. Whoa! RUX Rob! Thank you for the raid. Welcome, raiders. How y'all doing today? My name is Anthony. If you don't know me, I primarily work on a bunch of open source software. You may have, mostly in Python, you may have heard of, oh god, here we go again. PyTest, Talks, Flake8, pyflakes, precommit, pycodestyle, dead snakes, libsaspython, pyupgrade, all repos, and like 50 other projects that are less important than that. But today we are working through some open source Python stuff and fixing up some pull requests, and now we're going to be improving not so politically correct language in my repositories before we do that. Hey, what's up, Osama Lakalash? Thank you for the follow, and Hobdoms and Furzik, thank you as well for the follow, and thank you again for the rate. Dead Snakes, says Juanma. Yes, if you want to learn more about Dead Snakes. Only Python here, so not always Python, but for the most part, yes. It just happens to be what I work in a little bit. Bulan, hello, welcome. Double raid, indeed. For fuck's sake, just say the entire Python ecosystem. It's not that far off. I've got my stake in the ground for the testing, automation, and linting stuff. I guess I don't work on all of them, but I work on a good percentage of them. Python in the extremely rare front end. Last stream was all front end, believe it or not. All front end. Oh man, we have more than I want to fix. Wait, what? I'm so confused. How did you do that? Wait, what? I'm so confused. What? Did you break Twitch? I mean, I'll give you another shout out in case like this is actually... I'm so confused. How did you raid me twice, RUX Rob? What? Some raiders got left behind? Wait, how did you do that, RUX Rob? I'm so confused. I didn't think that was possible. Hacker, yeah, hacker man, exactly. He's a hacker? Yeah, I guess. Double raid, exactly. Did you say snake in the ground? No, I said stake in the ground. Some raiders got left behind. Hey, what's up, Knackler? Yeah, we got a lot of people here today because Kit Boga and Coding Garden raided, and now RUX Rob raided with the double raid somehow. Robin S. Boosters, we're doing all manner of shenanigans using containers. Oh, that's cool. Fixed your drink. Hello. Good to see you again. Used his calling container and he hacked Twitch. I mean, I would believe it with the double raid. What? I have never seen that before. I've seen a raid in a host, but I've never seen a raid in a raid. That's weird to me. Mats, thank you for the follow. Welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Yeah, I don't know what went on there. Okay, let us get sidetracked and fix all these things. Oh, we can do Let's see, grep dash v yelp, grep dash v talks dev. And then we can do all repos manual. See what all the options are to this. I think we just need to do a commit message. Commit message. Oh shit, nope. Use more inclusive language. Alright, so what this is going to do is it's going to repeatedly drop me into prompts in all of these repositories here, and then I can fix up all of this non-inclusive language. Hopefully. Assuming that it all works well. Wait, my chatbot has this problem? Placeholder, there we go. Much more appropriate language and not ableist. And then I can just do Control D, and it asks me if it looks good, and I can say yes, and it'll just make a pull request for me. Just like that! It's pretty cool. Just chatting with a side of coding Shay? Yeah, we got a lot of people here, so it's been a lot of chatting. Matt says I'm well, likewise. Sounds great, sounds great. I'm doing pretty well myself. Should change this to dash I. I use this placeholder application. Placeholder lambda that always crashes. Ah, fuck, I gotta rename the file. Oops. Oh, damn. Hey! Brilliant, thank you for the bits. Lots of esteem for your project, for making the language in your project more inclusive. Yeah, I've been thinking about this a lot more, and I think it's worth doing. So that's why we're doing it here. By the way, what this is doing behind the scenes, you can't really see it because it all happens from the API. But this is going out to GitHub and making pull requests for me. So you can see here, this pull request got auto-created from the thing we did there. And does this not have other checks? I guess not. It already ran the pre-commit CI stuff, which is pretty cool. Katson, thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Hopefully you're doing well. Let's see. Oops. Okay. Easy fix there. Are you detecting the non-inclusive language? I just did an all repos grep for dummy. This is cool automation. Yeah, if you want to learn more about this tool, someone actually did a talk about this recently. I wonder if that's up on YouTube. PyCon 2021 YouTube. Not up yet. No, it's not up yet. But Jugmac, who often stops by the stream, did a talk on this recently. But you can check out the link that I just posted in chat as well. What makes the pull request? Is that GitHub's terminal program? No. So all repos is the code that I wrote, and it is what's making the pull request here. So it has I've configured a configuration. Configured a configuration. Well, that's redundantly redundant. I have a configuration that's set up that hooks up cloning all my repositories and then making pull requests when I do a distributor refactor, which is what we're doing right now, but we're doing the manual distributor refactor. Rich Handler, thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Hopefully you're doing well. I see what you went for there. Your handle is Dick Handler. Ah, nice. Good shot there. How does Ubuntu feel? I'm happy with Ubuntu. This is Ubuntu. Although, this is where the viewers drop right here. I'm actually using Windows. But yeah, it's a virtual machine. Wrote a tool to interact with her API. Yes. Katzen says, vaccinated and doing great. Me too. Me too. Oh man, I'm so happy to be vaccinated. Yeah, fuck it. We'll drink the whole bottle. Could go wrong. Oh, I'm gonna regret this later. Oh well. For chat. But yeah, I'm such a relief to be vaccinated. The light at the end of the tunnel. El Deuterino! Oh man, I love that handle. Thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. My company is about to do this internally across our thousands of projects. Need help. Oh my god. Kimmy says, meetings are 10 a.m. on Saturday. Should not wait. A Saturday meeting? What? What? Mindful Fox says, terminology that is derogatory, hurtful, or perpetuates discrimination either directly or indirectly should be avoided. Dummy falls in this category. Yeah, 100%. Hey! Yeah, there we go. The AWC actually Windows emails. D&D. Shaz, you're getting dose 2 tomorrow. Nice. 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 And they're getting drunk tonight. It's true. It's true. It's true. Hessa Spark says, the second shot kicked my backside for 2 days. I was fucked up on both shots. But that's because I had COVID last year, so... Well, presumably. But yeah, I was great for the first 6 hours after the shot. Then I went to bed and then I woke up and I was like, oh, I just want to be dead now. So I just took the next day off work. I have a final the next day. Oh my god. Brilliant gets the second Pfizer dose tomorrow. Nice. Oh, this is an old project. I wasn't surprised that I use this. Okay, so I can't actually fix this one. This is referencing a variable name. So this one's actually not one that I'll be fixing. So there's this templating language called Cheetah, and it uses man, this variable looks really bad out of context. It's dummy transaction, which again still doesn't make it better. But it's a how do I explain this? It's a templating language that inside of functions they have this transaction, so it's kind of a nested transactional templating language. And if you return a value out of a function, the transaction is aborted, so that it doesn't write to the output, and so it keeps this dummy transaction around. But yeah. Unfortunate variable name. But yeah, for once you don't want to change, you just control D and it'll skip it. Essence Spark says, I know I had it. I was in the hospital for a week and a half and nearly died. Holy shit. Well, I'm glad you didn't die. I'm glad you're okay. A lot of people died and it's really fucking sad, but I'm glad you made it through, Acid Spark. I'm glad you could be here. Yeah, I had it and I didn't need to be hospitalized, but I was like out for like 2 fucking weeks and it was rough. Man. Oof. Craziness says the second one hit me for 24 hours, then I was 100% the next. It took me like 3 days to be about 100% personally, but I'm glad you bounced back so quickly. Zither says, after the second dose of the vaccine, I had an advanced Unix final the morning after. Oh shit. Well, hopefully that went alright. Happily Eco says, the second shot floored me for about 24 hours and then I felt great. Well, I mean, different people have different ways. But if the second shot hits you hard, that's how you know it works. That's how you know it works. 2 weeks finished on my birthday. Happy birthday! Here's the shot. Cudson says, little sore on the Moderna. Sad to hear, but I was totally ready and willing to accept 2 days down. Yeah, that's fine. Had a rough time with dose 2, but it's totally worth the freedom. Oh yeah, 100% worth the freedom. Shaz timed someone out. I don't know what it was, but I assume that it was worth timing out. So thank you, Shaz. Working with a lot of people from India, and holy crap, the stuff they're going through. Oh my god, India is a shit show right now. Like, any aid that you can send there, like, make it happen. It's a mess. Can't get code if you sit in your room all day. Hashtag forever alone. Yeah, that's true in your... It's true. It's true. As Spark says, when I called 911, the paramedics told me I made a really good choice. Well, I'm glad you're alive, man. Dummy row, dummy cell. What is that supposed to mean? This is literally my oldest project on GitHub. Well, maybe not literally. Dummy cell. I think I can just replace it with empty. Do I have CSS though? I have CSS for this. What does the CSS do? Display none. Wait, what? Oh. I know what this does. Do you want to see what this does? Let's see if I remember how this project works. I gotta set up the virtual M first, though. Git code that. I think this will error the first time. It'll make a config and it'll be like. Oh, that was not what I expected. Wait, what? Oh, maybe because there's a generate config here? I see. Where did the database go? Database. There we go. Oh, Flask has changed how this works. Interesting. It used to just print 0000 here. Anyway, this is what this does. You get a graph of like code over time, and you can make your own custom metrics for this. But the dummy row is this row right here, I think. Why did you not? What? Yeah, there it is. But I will replace that word with empty row, I think. But yeah, get code done is this. So it seems like kind of a stupid project on the cusp of it, but this was fucking monumental for making, deprecating stuff and tracking deprecations at Yelp. Basically, we would write metrics that the metrics operate on diffs, so they can work for like basically any programming language. And like one specific metric that we had 6 ORMs in our main repository, which was fucked. There's no reason to have 6 ORMs. Like, oh. But there were 6 ORMs, and of course 6 of them were deprecated. So we tracked the usage of each of the ORMs, and I'm sure other people have coined this term, but I called it graph-driven development, and I love graph-driven development. And yeah, it was basically a way to like, count the lines of usage of a particular thing and drive it down over time. The other thing is, like, we could use this against historical stuff and figure out, like, oh, who messed this shit up. Grim says, I'd love to see this on the Pigeon Code base. We can make it happen. Are you ready? Tell me the... Oh, wait, Bitbucket. Is there a get mirror? Is there a get mirror, Pigeon? It only works for get, because, yeah, it's in the name. We can probably just search for it. Get mirror of Pigeon. Unofficial, and from several years ago. It'll be good enough, I guess. Right? Is there a better one? Wait. Where are you? Pigeon repo mirror. Oh, this one's more up to date. Alright, let's do this one. So... let's see what happens here. We're gonna use an HPS clone because it's gonna be faster. Let's see what it does. Can't handle Mercurial at all? Not at the moment. I wrote this like 7 years ago, and it was specifically for Git. But I could probably use Get Remote HG to do it, but I don't have that set up, so. D-Delph says, my manager left for India in late March. He's stuck there at least until the end of May due to travel ban. Oh. Oh. Told by the immigration lawyer that his one option was to fly to Mexico, wait the 15-day quarantine, and then get back to the US. Oh, that sounds like it sucks. I don't know why the database is required here. Alright, here's Pigeon. We look at, I mean, lines of code. Well, I think this mirror is a little incomplete. Because it assumes everything was written in 2018. Alright, maybe we don't use this mirror. Why does it think everything was imported in 20... Why does it have a... Maybe we'll try this one instead. Let's try this one instead. I want to show you a cool graph. Look at this graph. I don't know why I'm trying to control R when it's literally one command. Or just call it have Mercurial instead of get. Yeah, maybe. Hey, what's up, Mahamdi? Oh, I think I already said hi. Well, hello again. Have you had a look at Flash 2.0 yet? I have not. Kimiko says, is this language agnostic? Yes, for the most part. Yeah. History is a bit messed up. Happened over the conversion of CVS to SVN to what's MTN? I've never even heard of MTN. Heard of the other ones. Yeah, I know I'm biased towards Git. Also, for those of you that don't know, RU Graham also streams on Twitch and works on this little thing called Pigeon, which, yeah, I use Pigeon, so it's cool. It's cool. All right, so this usually fucks my CPU, but it seems to be making progress. Maybe. The clone part is done, so now it is mostly just doing a bunch of... Wait, what is this? Oh, this is from this over here, which we still need to finish. Let's actually do this while that's running. Yes, looks good. So, do I have a way to find this link? I don't even know where I would find this. Oh, I can find it on Discord. So there's this like hilarious Instagram live of me. Well, I guess it wasn't Instagram Live back in the day. Instagram. Oh, too many of you post on Instagram for me to find it. Damn it. If I look for this here. Damn it. Really? How am I gonna find this? Oh, I don't know. But anyway, there was... I'll explain it to you. It was on the Discord at some point. But during this project, I wrote like this terrible bash pipeline that it's done. That would run in a loop, and I didn't know about the watch command. Oh wait, that's how we can find it. I know I did it in this video. Wait, did I not? I'm pretty sure I did a video about watch. Yeah, here we go. So, no, I clicked the next button. Oh, it moved. I hate it. What the fuck? Where is it? We're gonna reopen the tab because I'm watching Anthony watch Anthony. It's true. It's true. Link in here? No. Okay, we'll just have to watch it in here. Somewhere in here. Yeah, here we go. Mad Crab, thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Hopefully you're doing well. So this is old video of me. 2013. Why do I sound drunk in this video? What? But anyway, the clip is I shout for loop time and then I run a command repeatedly on the terminal by pressing up enter up enter up enter. But yeah, I don't know. Wait, we can just copy the URL out of the video, right? Ugh, it's gonna be a pain in the ass. Good9VJ. Instagram.com good9VJ /p SLVC. That's actually not so bad. SLVC. Oh, /p, not /u. What? Is that a 1? Or an I? Capital I, maybe? Maybe it's a 1? No, it's not a 1. What the fuck? Good 9VJ. Does it need a trail? It has a trailing slash. Oh, I don't fucking know. Whatever. Whatever. Here's the YouTube video, which you can check out if you want to. But anyway, I used to have a command that I would like press while this was running to track the progress, but let's see what we generated here. Oh, that looks a little bit more promising. There you go. Grim, is this what you expected to see? Look, it's even going down. It's even going down. Look at that. Need to put chapters in the videos? Yeah. It's so much work. Wait, was I wearing the same shirt in that video? No way. No fucking way. Holy shit, I am wearing the same shirt. Well, what a quinkydink. But yeah, this is a pretty cool graph there. Let's see about, what's the fun one? Let's see about curse words. Fuck! Oh, it's pretty good. It's pretty good. His account is private, so you won't. Oh, what? Wait, Barkov made his account private? Oh, sads. Sads. Is it a bad thing if everything is red? Wait, what? No, red is good. Wait, no, red is bad. Red's bad. Red's bad. Yeah, red's bad. It should be green. It should be green. Unless you're making progress, then fuck it, right? There's a tag with an F-bomb in it, though. That's funny. That's funny. But yeah, anyway. And these are just the built-in ones. You can make any of your own custom metrics if you want. That's kind of where the real part of it shines. But yeah, that's git code dat. I don't know how we got into that, but we'll get back to this now. Placeholder. Oh. Call them empty. Just to satisfy my line length requirements? Yeah, sure. Juan Milford, or whoa, I put an F in there and there wasn't an F in there. Juan Millard, thank you for, or is that Miord? Thank you for the follow, welcome to the stream. Hopefully you're doing well. I guess I can do this to get, yeah. Looks good. Child Bias says, this tool is really cool. I just generated the graph for our app and it's grown from 10,000 lines of code to 50,000 lines of code in 10 years. Yeah, it's a really cool tool. Like, I built it because I was like, man, it'd be really cool if I had this. And then I just, you know, did it. And it happened. That was the first release with GTK2. Oh, man. The link to the commit in GitHub seems broken though. Oh yeah. So by default, the commit, you need to fill out a little bit of information to make that work. So if you look at, is it metric config? Yeah, you have to fill this out to make it work properly. So if you change this to whatever your repository is, because I can't really know this. But yeah, you're given the SHA link, so if you have like GitWeb, you can do this or whatever. Is this on your GitHub? Yes, it is. Right here. Would you prefer a PR or a fork for mercurial sport? Depends how hairy it is. If you can get mercurial to work well, ship it. Fuck it. Whatever. Send a PR. I don't know, man. This repo is like super old. So, I mean, feel free to send a pull request. If it's easy to integrate, then we'll make it happen. I want to see the graphs against Google's monorepo. I think Google's monorepo is too big to actually get handled here. But maybe. Joker Prophet and U-Trape, thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Hopefully you're doing well. 7 years old is old. It's old for me because I haven't really been writing code on GitHub for that long. As much as Anthony reads code, Anthony reads chat. Yeah. Anthony writes code, Anthony reads chat. Yeah. It's true. It's true. I fixed an 11-year-old bug in Pigeon a few releases ago. I fixed a, I think it was a 10-year-old Python bug the other day. This one. You know it's old when it's a 4-digit issue. I guess, wait. Date 2010, 11-year-old. Or slightly less than 11-year-old. 10.5. You got me beat, Grim. You got me beat there. You win. You win this one. I'll let you have it. I'll let you have it. Yeah, see, I can't fix this one. This one is from the standard library. Not my fault. Oh, this one's totally my fault, though. This attempts Determine the correct length tags. This attempts... We don't need the word dummy. This attempts compile similar to how AutoTools does feature detection. Easy. Easy fix. If you didn't, I just find an older one and fix it. That's completely fair. That's completely fair. I can't believe my shiny scraper has this bug. This is like brand new code. Oh, it's okay. It's the same copy paste lambda code. Placeholder. I bet Pragmacy has a problem. I don't know why I did the keyboard shortcut I did there. Grammar odd in that comment. Oh, was it weird? I missed it. What happened to your keyboard? Yeah, somebody spent the points. Knowledge spent the points for recursive chats. That's why we're on this other keyboard. It's all good. The normal keyboard's, you know, right here. You can see it. What's the bad object error about in Git code dead? Is my Git history broken? I don't know what you're talking about. Send me a paste bin. Can we get some saving up for a 48-hour stream? I still need to do those. Oh god. Oh man, I use this so often. Oh, cringe. That's why we're fixing it though. Hodler. Oh my god, we did it with Python too? Well, that's why we're making this more inclusive. Zombie, thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Hopefully you're doing well. Oh shit. I gotta rename the file. You know when you stare at a word for too long and it doesn't look like a word anymore? Dummy doesn't look like a word for me anymore. God, I made this mistake too many times. The fuck, where's the... Oh, this file name is gonna get long. Did you see how I just like instinctively typed get long there? That was weird. JDSY, thank you for the resub at 7 months. It's good to see you again. Hopefully you are doing well. It's been a while. But welcome back. Good to see you. Needed 240 hours stream? Holy shit. Yeah, that's why I'm like super scared of doing like a subathon, because I feel like you guys would just fuck me forever. Be like a week-long programming stream. Be awful. T drinks and says, I just woke up and I fell asleep watching Twitch what are you working on? Right now we're improving language in my projects to be more inclusive. And then we're going to get back to reviewing pull requests. Venkatesharit says, why are you using Nano? Technically, I'm not using Nano. I'm using my own text editor that I wrote called Babby. Grim says, looks like making repo parser abstract and then concrete classes for Git and Mercurial / whatever should be pretty straightforward. Except I have to learn Python 3. Yeah, it's true. Yeah, no, don't worry about it, Venkatesh. Don't worry about it. It's all good. All good. Recursive Chat says, I hate typing filter. Sometimes I type it as Fitler, not like this. So easy fix, don't use filter map reduce. Then you don't have to type it. Priyank says, listen to that keyboard makes me miss my clears on my other. Oh, I love clears. Clears are so good. Clears are so good. James Wise says, I took your advice and decided to write my little HP test DSL on top of HPX instead of request. Oh, good choice, good choice. Wine and water. Well, I'm out of wine, so that's why I'm on water now. Yeah, I know it doesn't activate bot. You just have to type bang water. There you go. There you go, Zithrius. No, I got you. It's all good. Alright, we're gonna assume that's good to go. And we gotta look at the next repo. Repo. Okay, just in the right length there. Ah! Damn it. Line is too long. I don't know if this test is testing, but I don't really care. Kimiko says, you may think JavaScript is wet, but you know what? PHP is water. What? Your requirements dev needs work. What? I think it assumes you have Tox installed on your system. That's kind of the entry point. This is supposed to be... No, this is right. What are you missing? What's missing there? Oh, so... YAML and config v come from the setup.cfg. Where is it? Yeah, those are prod dependencies. So if you pip install -e dot, these will get installed. Yeah, it comes from inside of the file. That's the first time you did. Yeah. Oh, what her? Oh, I get it. See, I probably would have understood it if I hadn't consumed an entire bottle of wine. That's my excuse. Pip install -e dot, or if you have Tox installed, you can just do tox devenv venv. This will set up what you need. But yeah, JJMC's got the right command. Yo, JJMC, you're still here? Holy shit. You've been here the whole stream. Do we still need to call setup pren for editable installs and setup high? Yep, there has not been a standardization of editable installs yet. Because lol. I like how this is explaining the extra JSON here. Do you have any examples of implementing double under new? Curious on some real world use cases. I'm gonna guess that they are either meta classes or... yeah, it's probably just meta classes. And I think there's only one. Let's see what we've got here. Oh, well, these are for subclasses of name tuples. Let's actually look at all of these, because why not? Oh, I need to do... shit. I need to do output paths. And not typo it. This is a meta class. So in a meta class, you need double under new to override the behavior of the meta class. So that's that one. This is me implementing name tuple. Also me implementing name tuple. This is an example of the code that would get generated from a name tuple. This is hackily overriding the defaults of name tuple. This is a singleton implementation using double under new. Oops. Another singleton implementation, another singleton implementation, another singleton implementation, another... this is setting default values. Setting default values. And another meta class. Changelog for pytest, pytest. Defaults for name tuples. And that's it. That's all I got in my examples. I don't use it very often. Evil Gordita says, I think pip is getting a patch that pretends there is a set pren. Yeah. So pip, if you don't have a setup.py, it will put it in there for you. I'll just put the empty default one. Funkato says, good lord, I left for 10 minutes and what the hell did I miss? Right? Kimika says, because Python, if you ever need to go to any of the Scandinavian countries, look for a kind of candy called Dunder Salt. Wait, what? That sounds amazing. I actually have to use the restroom, so I will be right back, and I will see you in a bit, chat. We're back. Hello. I can't believe it's been gone. No, I'm fine. We're here. Everything's good. Can't believe he's been gone forever. Our time together was so fleeting, so short. Which is it? Float or short? Oh no. What are your emotes, Fencat? What's up with that? Okay, what were we doing? Let's at least merge these pull requests that we just made. Because yes. We can't merge the pre-commit one because it's not done yet. But oh my god, we made a bunch of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We made 9 of these. Perfect. Oh yeah, you startled me. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, Fallen Kato. I didn't mean to. Please forgive me. Alright, that fixes that one. Move this file. I haven't test passed, so fuck it, ship it. I should in theory make releases of all these, but that's a lot of work. They'll get released eventually. They will get released eventually. I don't know. Oh, I see why you were like, this comment is weird. So this is a verb. This is a verb. Well, it's a noun verb. A noun verb. I understand. I understand. Yeah, it does weirds a little bit. Grim says, all these type hints make Python 3 feel like a completely different language. Yeah, right? It is very... It took me a lot to get used to at the beginning, but now I don't know what I would do without type hints. I feel like they, yeah. Your stream schedule and your channel description. Oh, yeah, I haven't updated that yet. Let me fix that. No, I don't want to get clips. Hey, you're muted. Where is it? Is it here? Yeah, it's fucked up still. Monday evenings and Saturday at noon and other days ad hoc. All times Pacific. Yeah, I would love to stream more, but I think I have to quit my job to make that happen. Which we'll see. We'll see what happens. Oh, speaking of quitting my job, I'm potentially lining up a new sponsor for Twitch and YouTube, which would be cool. They reached out to me on Twitter and were like, hey, your channel looks cool. It's funny because they referenced this YouTube video that I put up recently, which, like, if you haven't seen this video, it's real good. It's real good. It's a story about how software fucking sucks and how you shouldn't write C and how we found this in production. So check it out. But they referenced this video. I don't think they actually watched the video, but I don't care if they sponsor me. But it talks about a scenario that happened at Yelp and why I am hesitant to use New Relic in the future. It's a pretty good one, so you should check it out. But yeah. You've been forgiven. I'm just very jumpy. Oh, it's all good. It's all good. Edit panels, yeah. Muffin Soup says, where do you work? I am a staff software engineer at Stripe, where I work on the Python infrastructure team to build infra for other Python developers. I'm just gonna download it while it's still up. Yeah, and before DMCA, right? The video that'll get you sued. I don't think it'll get enough engagement that it'll matter, but yeah. Grim says, gives up on this and goes and writes C's like he does every day. Oh yeah, the thumbnail's great. The thumbnail, Shaz Robot made. But But yeah, it's a Photoshop of a. I don't even remember what this photo's. Let's see if I can find it. It's the like has file from Shaz robot. Yeah, there we go. Let's see if I can find the context of this, because there's definitely a photo that I took that this was edited from. Maybe I mean, I don't think I took it, actually. I think Juice took it. Where the fuck is this? A lot of oh, here we go. From November 2nd of 2020. I don't know where the original is from. I don't see the original. Well. Yeah. There's this meme though, so is this safe for Twitch? Yeah, this is safe for Twitch. Fuck it. There's a meme. I couldn't find the photo, so I have a meme instead. I think you just stabbed Grim in the heart. Yeah. Yeah. Sorry, Craziness. Or sorry, Grim. But you're right, Craziness. Okay, we gotta wait for this to merge, or to pass tests. The tests on this are super slow. Spicy stream? Yeah. Yeah, Grim, when are you gonna write Pigeon and Rust? Oh, I imagine you must get that a lot. I'm not gonna add to that pile. I'm not a, what is it, Rust task force, something or another? What's the meme? Rest Evangelism Task Force. That's what it is. Yeah, there we go. When you donate $1 billion. Yeah, that's when you rewrite it in Rust. That's when you RIIR. Okay. Oh, I closed the tab that I wanted to still have. Fuck. Well. Okay, we can open this again. Do I just want to update his code? We'll see. We'll see if it's something that we can just good code change like a ghost, or if it needs further modifications. Just $1 billion, you can barely buy 2 boats for that. I should just put a bar up on my stream. Oh my goodness. Sure, right, Pigeon in Java, it's the way forward. Just wait. In the 2000s, no one will write C anymore. Yeah, yeah. Okay, let's actually review this code. Okay, so replace dict brackets. So find the end bracket. Then search for white space. Wow, this goes backwards. I guess this makes sense. This might be not how I would write it, but if it works, ship it. It's a comma, delete the comma. Oh, I'm super confused on what this is doing. I might be too drunk to understand what this code's doing. This makes sense. This doesn't make sense. Place comma with pipe. Where does that get called? Geeky Girl Sarah, thank you for the raid. Welcome to the stream. I don't think I have seen your channel before, so I will leave you a follow so that I can check out your stream later. And my followers should do that as well. That way I can check out your channel later. But anyway, my name is Anthony. If you are not familiar with my stream, I work on a lot of open source, mostly in Python. If you have heard of some of the projects that I maintain, PyTest, Talks, Flake8, pyflakes, pycodestyle, dead snakes, precommits, all repos, and pyupgrade, those are some of the things that I maintain. I primarily focus on developer tooling, productivity, linting, code formatting, and those sorts of things. But welcome to the stream. What were you working on today, Geek Girl Sarah? And my viewers should check you out. Hey, Girl with Box is here. Hello, hello. Girl with Box also streams, so you should check her out. Welcome, welcome. Is there a precommit hook for non-inclusive language? Looks like you do one input per line. Yes, Scrib. If you don't do that, the hooks will fix it for you, so you don't have to worry about it. What did I say? Yeah. I maintain the entire Python ecosystem. It's not strictly true. Geeky Girl Sarah was interviewing me. Oh, that's cool. That's really cool. I think I did one interview on stream. I've been meaning to do more, but I don't know. For some reason, people don't like getting interviewed, so I haven't been able to line any of those up. I was supposed to do one with Melky, but Melky hasn't gotten back to me. I'll just have to give them a pow, and then we'll do an interview. But I did one with Max late last year, and I designed a Pokemon Go clone, which was kind of cool. I guess he interviewed me, but I'm willing to do either direction. Okay. This is interesting. This seems risky to me. I actually think the placeholder tokens are necessary here. Oh, Laptop Zombie and Kamapie. Kamapie. Thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Anthony goes both ways. Ah, shit. Kimbiko. Why you gotta do me like that? This is the third raid today? Yes. Fourth if you include the weird double raid. I still don't know what was up with that. That was weird. But yes, welcome to the stream, Geeky Girl Sarah and Girl with Box. Thank you for the raid. Appreciate that. We're working on improving the non-inclusive language here. And trying to figure out what this code does. Supported version. I don't think this needs a function. There's only one usage of it. I am not sober enough to fix this code for them, so we're gonna just suggest this thing. This can be inlined. Yes. Okay, so this just removes star tokens. Makes sense. Oh. Oh, okay, I get what it does. Or index D. Shouldn't this be arg? Arg! Oh, the music has stopped. Oh man, I feel like keeping up with stream is so much tedium. Colin Kato says, did you include the raid that raided Coding Garden who raided us? Oh yes, I guess that would be yet another raid. Hey, what's up, Parker Sick? Hello, hello. Welcome to the stream. If arg... This is clever. I like this. I feel like every other type that I've tried to handle has done this all at once. So... yeah. It's cool, it's cool, it's cool. I already reviewed the tests, so the tests are good. Should we just fix this for them? I think we should just fix this for them. These are super minor. We're just gonna fix this for them. Ah, how do I discard? We'll just good code change like a ghost. I think I'm sober enough to do that. Yeah, yeah. Sly Nice Guy, thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Hopefully you are doing well. A clone? Nope. Ah. Is TDM a new crypto? Oh no. This is clever and I like this, but how? That's true, Marsha. Usually I'm like, clever? The fuck out of here. But today we're fine. Marco Gorelli, Macro Gorelli. You know they're a frequent contributor when I have I need dash shawl. You know they're a frequent contributor. Wait, did that work? Alright, prefix matching. Prefix matching saved me. Maybe they one of the last left here from, yeah, 300. I normally don't have 367 odd viewers, so there's still some left over. I mean, they might be asleep with their laptop still open, but it's all good. I'm glad they're here. This is gonna be my most inflated view count stream of all time, so I'm happy. It's good. It's good. It's good. I'm glad I could share it with all of you in a bottle of wine. Chris Chat says that inline comment you just made reminds me of my coworker who writes get_Q label instead of return Q label. Just why? Yeah. It happens. It's fine. It makes sense. What's the PEP number for this? 584? Yeah. PEP 584. Get proche de shoe origin master. I guess master has progressed since then. Marcia says I'm asleep. Oh no. Parker6 says, my first time in here. Well, welcome to the stream. Hopefully you are doing well. If it's your first time, make sure to click that follow button. Dies inside. Kimiko says, I did stream a long time ago, and the CTO where I worked asked everyone to mute my stream and put it on in the background to inflate my numbers. Don't tell Twitch. Jagan889 and Parker6, thank you both for the follow. Damn it, I got you. I got you. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Kato says, either way, it's still good. It's still really cool to have rated multiple streams today and loving all of them. Well, I'm glad you're enjoying this. Like and subscribe. Make sure to ding the bell. God, all that YouTube shit is such cringe. I never do that shit. I think it's so dumb. But I guess that's why I don't have that many YouTube subscribers, so... eh. He's still alive, I just work somewhere else. Okay. He's not dead now. This is why you get no views? Yeah. Yeah. Fucking owned. Fucking owned. Oh, we gotta do a double negative here. Got rid of that. What was the other comment I made? Oh yeah, dicked. Alright, this is probably fine, right? New keyboard, says Astro Charles. Technically, this is the old keyboard. I was asked to switch by Now Edge through channel points. But yes, it is old keyboard changed like a ghost. We are good code changed like a ghost right now. Which, I guess there's a fair amount of you that don't know about this, so we will show you good code changed like a ghost. And I will do my emphatic reenactment of it. So I got this GitHub issue on Precommit, which is a linter code formatter framework, emphasis on code formatter. And Umlau, who I've blocked, of course, made this issue called Speechless Precommit. You're going to change my code because of your disgusting coding habits. Add spaces, commas, semicolons, and new lines in other people's code. Good code changed like a ghost. Garbage! Why don't you just say you have the time to do something else? Doing this boring, pointless thing, just like some stupid writer who doesn't change Shakespeare and thinks he's doing a good job. Good code changed like a ghost. Oh my god, I fucking love this. I need to clip this and put it into a YouTube video. I haven't done that yet, but I should do that. I will leave myself a reminder to do that. Billin, thank you for the subscription. Appreciate that. I guess this was worth it, right, buddy? Nice copy. I don't think it's copy pasta either. I think this is very specific to my repository. Like, I think if you search good code change like a ghost, I don't think anything comes up. I think this is it. Oh, I mean, me memeing about it. Oh shit, where is it? Yeah, here we go. Nope. Here we go. You're going to change my code because of your disgusting coding habits? Good code changed like a ghost. Garbage! I'm glad that I have made this hashtag a reality, because now people just use this. It's great. I love it. It's so good. Oh my god, I forgot about this one. Wait till he finds about Go format, Clang tidy. Yeah, exactly, right? The best part is Precommit doesn't even change the code. It's some formatter that he has configured. Not even Precommit. Hey, what's up, Adriana? Oh, that's a clever username. I like that. I like the little underscore there. Thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Hopefully you're doing well. All right, but yeah, good code changed like a ghost. That's what we're doing here. Except I am the ghost. I'm the ghost. I'm the ghost, chat. Have you watched the IT crowd? I have not, unfortunately. Didn't even click that link. Oh, Marsha's got a link for me. Oh no. I forgot about this. Oh my god. Oh my god, I forgot about this. Man, sometimes my YouTube comments are just like a complete shit show. It is beyond. Oh, this one's too long. Do you want an emphatic reading of this one, chat? I'll leave it up to you. Do you want this? Do you want this? Grim says, how do you want one big PR for everything, or just two? First abstracting, you might as well just throw it into one. All right, we'll do the emphatic reading from Jeff, the Trump supporter. It is beyond me why people waste their time with Python anymore. Don't waste your time with Python anymore, as in about 2 years. 2 years! Python is going to be pushed out with Julia. It's basically Python on steroids and allows the benefit of multi-core access. Built-in memory management, no need to deal with memory, and runs pretty much at the speed of C. An example, Some function in C takes 10 milliseconds. Python, 500 milliseconds. And Julia, 10 milliseconds. On par with C. If you're okay programming Python, pretty much not much anything else to learn. It was developed at MIT. Taking Python and under the hood, changing from interpreter to more compiler and multi-core. It has basically made Python future-proof, allowing it to be ready for quantum computing from the get-go and able to use and access unlimited cores! And the major benefit that Rust has added in, built-in memory management by the compiler, all built in. Go watch the first 10 minutes of this. I'm sure you will like what you see. Ha ha. Spread the word to all your Python programmer buddies. It is the future. DARPA, NASA, all the companies have been jumping on board as it offers the speed of C and the simple ability to program in Python with few minor syntax changes, except for fucking 0 to 1 arrays, am I right? On some things, it is my understanding that the James Webb will be programmed for mapping using it. Also, many car companies have been moving to it for autonomous cars for the future. Why would I want to use interpreted Python? And have it sort, say, 150,000 elements in, say, 21 seconds, which is fucking bullshit. I mean, the whole thing's bullshit, but... Oh, I didn't want to print. Let's do without print. Yeah, 60 milliseconds. Get fucked, buddy! When I can take the same Python code and put it in Julia and have it sort 3/4 of a second, that same group of elements. Man, 3/4 of a second? Get fucked, buddy. 6 milliseconds. Get at me. Or 60 milliseconds. Anyway. There we go. I read the thing. You happy, chat? You happy, chat? You happy, chat? Hey, Julia, let me introduce you. Oh, Jython. Oh, no, not Jython. Oh, no. Not Jython. Kabuki says, could you record a voice for my GPS, please? JK, I don't even try. Craziness says, I work at NASA. We use Python. Oh, you work at NASA? That's cool. I went to wash my hands, and halfway down the hall I hear unlimited course. Anthony reads angry comments. I feel like I could just make a whole series out of reading shitpost comments, right? Growthbox says it is beyond me why people waste their time with them anymore. It's called Souffle. You're right, Marsha. It's not helping that Jeff has a Trump profile pic. Yeah, it's pretty telling. Pretty telling. Sort it using the proper way. Map filter sort. No, we don't do that. We don't do that here. Penamemba. Hello. Which is worth Jython or IronPython? I feel like IronPython was reasonably compliant. I feel like I got many fewer problems. Many fewer problems working with IronPython than I did with Jython. Jython was always this like weird fuckery of like things I didn't expect. Yeah, please make a series. All right. We'll see what I can do there. Girl with Box says, "What's the worst thing about open source?" Oh, where do I begin? I think the worst part about open source is, well, beyond not making any money from it, The amount of effort I put in versus what I get out of it is totally not worth it. But I think the worst part about open source is people expecting output for free and harassing you over their expectations. Also, it's gotta be said, the first time I saw this GIF, it took me a really fucking long time to realize the cat had 4 legs. I thought this was just like a cat standing on its back legs. Like, I had no idea. Like, I didn't realize these back legs until, like, many, many years after seeing this for the first time. Like, yeah. I had posted this cat GIF hundreds of times before I realized, yeah, this is not just a cat just walking on its hind legs. Best answer, check out the Today in Open Source hashtag on Twitter. Yeah, that is a good way to get that answer. We'll just read through a few of them. Why not? Yannick, good friend of mine. Always remember, kids, if you ever start an open source project, the moral duty to support CPUs that were put into home computers or mainframes in the 80s and 90s trumps any dreams, desires, or priorities that you may have for yourself. Today in open source, OP, I'm blocked from posting an issue, so hope you don't mind 2 megabytes of output as a commit comment. You're blocked for a reason. Oh, this is the good code change like a ghost. We already read that one. Thank you for the explanation. You can add this to your documentation. You could too. Do you want to create a pull request? No, I didn't download its whole code, so it'd be easier for a person who already cloned the code. Fucking lazy ass shit. Opens issue for potential features, 6 years of science. Users, any progress on this? God, I fucking hate this comment. Yeah. Build's broken. 1 megabit of unforwarded output. Did you read the error message? No. Mike's project is no longer maintained. 2 years passed. I was wondering if you could advise. I don't understand this one. I tried to X and it didn't work. Good luck guessing what I mean by this or what I execute / try to actually. Would you be so kind to helpfully explain what you're actually doing? Nothing. Oh man, Bruno even got one. Damn. OP wants to do something unsupported. That's not supported. Here's a workaround, detailed example and summary. 1 file renamed, 2 lines of code. That solves it, but it's not how I want it. Please change everything to support exactly how I want. Oh my god. I love it. But yeah, just read through this. I started this hashtag. It's pretty good. It's pretty good. Grim says, I had a good Today in open source the other day. A user asked me, so if you have a Macintosh, why don't you develop for Adium? For context, Adium uses libpurple, which is like the basis of Pigeon. But it's entirely separate. Oh, is this repo dead? Yeah, so I made a project called Dead just to poke fun at this. Oh, so I can merge this now. So I made a project called Dead, which is a dead code detector. And just for memes, I hate receiving this comment on open source projects, but it happens all the time. So, yeah. Anyway. Oh yes, so the problem with Hacktoberfest is the way it works is if you make a pull request and it gets well, actually it didn't used to need to get merged. You just had to create a pull request, and then if you had 5 of them, DigitalOcean would send you a t-shirt. I actually have a bunch of these t-shirts. Let's see if I have one. Are they in clean clothes or dirty clothes? Oh, they're in mine. I just did laundry today, so I haven't folded anything yet because I'm bad at being a real person. Where's an example of a t-shirt? Really, somewhere in here. I think this is one. Yeah. Here's an example of the 2020 t-shirt. For whatever reason, when I take off my shirts, I take them off inside out, so after I said fix them. But yeah, there's the 2020 t-shirt. But anyway, they they offered you know, t-shirts if you did 5 pull requests, and you would get yourself a t-shirt. But some, don't want to racially profile them, so we're not going to go there, but some YouTuber made a pull request that was like, you can get free shit if you make pull requests. And then they demonstrated basically, you know, opening up a readme and then changing the title to being like, this is the coolest fucking project ever. And then committing that and sending a pull request. And it was just like, oh. So I got like 100 of these pull requests. And it sucked. It was a pain in the ass. But then DigitalOcean changed it, so you had to actually like approve them instead of just people being able to like send garbage pull requests like that. But yeah. Girl Fox says, there's no reason to fold clothes, you're just gonna wear them later. It's kind of true. Also, have you seen my cool way of folding clothes? Or I'll show you with this hackathon t-shirt from Yelp. I think it's a Yelp hackathon t-shirt. Okay, but once you have it right side out. Where's the button? There we go. Okay. So you lay them on the bed. Or carpet. No. Go. Alright, so ready for this? You grab here, the middle of the shirt, and then like right by the neck. You go, pick it up, lay it down, and then flip it over, and then fold it once, and you're done. Folded t-shirt. Just like that. And I showed my mom this, and she was like, this changes fucking everything. I'm never gonna fold t-shirts the same again. But it's real good. It's real good. It's real good. Did it say hackathon? No, it's Hacktoberfest 2020. That's what it said. Grim says, I wish Hacktoberfest was open to other hosts other than GitHub. Yeah, that would be nice too. Hey, what's up, pyflakes? Hello, hello. Girlbox says, I'm super lazy about folding. So, little disclaimer here. I've done 2 loads of dark laundry. I didn't fold the last one, so I just added the new load on top of this one. So I've been pretty bad about folding clothes too. So, yeah. This is the coolest project. Can you add me to the maintainer list? Yeah. I think it was almost all an amazing project. Yeah, it's true. It's true. Anthony folds clothes. Yeah, that's not Umbreon. No, it is Umbreon. In fact, it is a it's a shiny Umbreon. It's the same one that shows up in our emotes. But yeah, it's an Umbreon. It's a little Umbreon. This is quality entertainment. I just roll shit up. I mean, that works too. Luther says, I received this PR during Hacktoberfest. Dun, 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 dun. Why though? That's weird. Matter of witchcraft? Now do fold. I have not mastered the folded sheets magics yet. I'm not that good yet. Maybe one day. I just have a stuffed animal on the floor between my clean clothes that I don't have to deal with the guilt of them being on the floor. They're just on a giant teddy bear. That's cheating. I thought I didn't know. No, you're right. You're right. So shiny Pokemon are alternate colored Pokemon. They were originally called alternate colored Pokemon. I have an obsession with collecting them, in that I've collected all of them. But yeah, this is normal Umbreon, and then shiny Umbreon has blue instead of yellow. But yeah. Kamiko says, what do you know about shiny Pokemon? It's true, it's true, it's true. You gotta look at the comments. Oh, I didn't look at the comments. Yeah, Control-Shift-T for the win. Instead of explicitly having an end character pass a word, we'll generate a password between 0 and n characters, which is more secure? That's the opposite of what is true. What? No, they're just wrong. They're just wrong. They don't know what they're doing. Rothbach says, I was watching a doc earlier called The Origami Code, which talked about various researchers trying to use principles of folding to make cool shit. Huh. That sounds interesting. Hot new shiny braid. Yeah, that's a good reference. Ashton WRX. So I have this this scraper which looks for shiny dens. Just so off topic. But there are these events in Sword and Shield where this one's not shiny. This one was shiny. Where occasionally there are shiny Pokemon, and I have a scraper that grabs this page and looks for the latest one. And when it succeeds, it sends me an email that says, check out this hot new max raid battle. But yeah, that's what's up with there. 0 length password. Yeah. Shiny Pokemon are superior in most cases. Umbreon is so much better than normal Umbreon. Same goes for Gardevoir. Some of them are shit though. Like, what's that Pokemon called? Garchomp. This is one of the worst shiny Pokemon in existence. Can you even tell the fucking difference here? You have to look extremely closely to know the difference between these two. Now, granted, when it Mega Evolved, although they got rid of Mega Evolutions. Where's the Mega Evolution? Oh, is it at the bottom? It's at the bottom. When it Mega Evolved, at least you could tell the difference. You got this, like, pimpin' ass pink here. Which, like, way fucking cooler than... What's the difference? But, yeah, shiny Pokemon. Yeah, Steven Benito, we got a huge raid today, so that's why there's a whole bunch of viewers today. Growthbox is gonna take the puppy out? Well, thank you for stopping by. Go take the puppy out. It's important. Can't crack a password that doesn't exist. Oh yeah, Dragonite's shiny is... I don't know, it's kind of like a puke green though. I don't know how I feel about this. Gengar's is also shit, but its Mega Evolution is fucking great. Like, its normal shiny is like, eh. But then you look at its Mega Evolution and you're like, oh damn, that looks fucking cool. But yeah, anyway, shiny Pokemon. What was this? Oh yeah. Me proving Julia Man that they're wrong. Nope. Merge. And that actually wraps up with our open source stuff for today. But you know what? I feel like we should still stream though, you know? Shiny Jengar. Shiny Jengar. Jengar, yeah, it's called Jengar now. Has a different stand. Oh, it's just because they took it at a. They took the screenshot at a different position in the animation. Herman says new keyboard. This is actually the old keyboard that somebody spent the channel points, so we switched today. All right, so we're done with our open source stuff for today. So I think we're gonna work a little bit on pre-commit. I think we have a few easy things to work on. Or sorry, pre-commit CI. Actually, I have another thing we can do. We can make a release of pre-commit hooks. I haven't done that in a while. Oh, it's gonna trigger a giant auto update on Monday, but that's fine. Get log, one line, first parent. Oh yeah, we have a lot of commits. A lot of commits here. Alright, let's do it. I know this is going to be a major release because I deleted some things. And... oh, we haven't released since last year. Is this project dead? 5.14. Features, fixes, breaking. Is that what I called it before? Yeah, breaking changes. Alright, let's look through all these. 540. Well, a lot of these are pre-commit CI. So we can ignore those. 544. Okay. Short circuit shebang. Oh, I should check executables have shebangs. $544 PR by S-Cup. Is there an issue associated with this? Nope. Meow. 549. This part's so tedious. Neurum says it's getting brighter outside. Oh no. Verse says, heck, I'm tired, but I keep wanting to write code, but I haven't done anything in blarg. I mean, make it happen. Whatever you gotta do. Fix comments with indents. This is not correct. Delete it. Oh, this is another Maru. Wow, this person's... yeah, why did they... why did this person comment? I don't know. Alright, but this is a fix for... oh, this has an issue associated with it. Same person. Okay, cool. This is requirements. Fix comments which have indentation. 549 PR by Greshilov. Was it 548? Yes. Sick. 558. Oh man, I hate when people merge from their master branch. It's the worst. 11 p.m. where I am, so I'm not going to see sunlight for... wait. What? How is it getting brighter at 11 p.m.? Are you at like the North Pole? 11 p.m. You're in Eastern time. What? Username like that, pretty sure they're twit. Yes. S-I-A. Right, Kanmika? Yeah. Just turned 5 a.m. Birds. Oh, I confused Neurum and Fallen Cat. Okay. I see. Alright, yeah. You're both purple. Are you both purple here, though? Yeah, you're both purple. Sorry, I have had an entire bottle of wine. I feel like I have an excuse. Port duplicates. Oh. This is a cool one. This is a cool fix. I think it's a feature, actually. Check JSON. Reports duplicate keys. 558 PR by Aditya? This is an old issue. By Adam, who sponsors me. This actually isn't an old issue. 554? 554. Yikes. Oh, this is a good patch. I think this extends Master to Bane. Yep. No permit to brush. And main to default block branches. Abdulaziz, thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Hopefully you're doing well. Yeah, you're technically purple too, Marsha. That's true, it's true. Your username is black and really hard to read in dark mode. Yeah, look at how hard it is to read here. Literally unhighlightable until you go over here and then you can barely see it. VIP plus Yearling plus GlitchCon plus a bunch of space equals Marsha. It's true. It's true. Marsha sucks. More like Marsha stonks. Why do we have an empty tab there? 565. Was there an issue associated here? Nope. Cool. $571. What happened there? It's a patch 1, so they committed from the GitHub UI. Stupid Windows. Stupid fucking care map. Fucking garbage. Pretty format JSON. Is that what this hook is called? Right to standard out using UTF-8 encoding. Is the issue by the same person? Yes. This is the most painful part of making a release, is doing this changelog garbage. This is my least favorite part. Oh, another person that merged from Master. God, I really don't like when people make a feature branch. Please. Please. Oh man, this is a really old pull request, a really old issue. I think did I make this issue? No. Oh man, this is an old one. Check case conflicts. Fix erga. Check conflicts in directories. Directory names as well. 575 PR by SLSYY. And then a 2-digit one. Is it Andy Jack? Andy Jack. $582. What is this one about? Disallow any branch name in check VCS permalinks. The title says allow, but it's the opposite. That's funny. I feel like Jack has contributed a lot to pre-commit, and I'm really happy for their contributions. They've done good jobs generally. Check VCS permalinks. was 581. I'm also really glad that they make issues before doing stuff. Okay, these are all automated. 545. Look, we've gone backwards here. Oh, because this one was open for a long time. Those are both pull requests. This is a new hook, right? Yep. New hook, which ensures shipping. Scripts are executable. 545 PRI SCOP. This is our breaking change in 597. I remove 3 things. New deprecated hooks. Flakate pyflakes. Autopivate wrapper. $5.97 PR by me. Wow, that's the only contribution I made to this entire. Oh, I made this one too. Use more inclusive language. $5.99. $5.99. Alright, that's our 4.0 release. 4.0.0. Anyone happen to know how to get Flaggy to stop being concerned with anything? 0.8 version. I'm happy it thinks my name tables are broken, but the script isn't meant for backward compatibility. Flagate shouldn't care about name tables. Show me some output. If anyone's gonna know how Flagate works, it's gonna be this guy. Kimiko says, wait, what? I'm a hype train conductor. Yeah, I think it was because you subbed and you were one of the actions that triggered a hype train. And that gets you a fancy badge. Get my PyPI password. Yes, paste and go. Oh, I should probably tweet about this, shouldn't I? Oh. Put this into the changelog. No. .0.0, yes, pre-commit hooks, yes, and we gotta fix the one line that's scrapped. Alright, because GetM has 2 different ways that they handle markdowns. You can see that there's a hard wrap here, which is stupid, so you have to go and fix this. But their issue handler uses a different markdown. See, now it doesn't do the stupid wrapping. The little things. Norm says, one of your actions, subsection. Oh, yeah. Felon says, holy hell, I'm trying to do some algebra I have to get caught up, and my brain is just completely shutting down. You and me both. I guess we can do the tweeter here. Tweeter. Oh yeah, I gotta do this off screen because otherwise it shows my fucking phone number, which is great. Love when Twitter is just like, oh, here's your phone number in plain text. Oh, it only shows 2 digits. Okay, it's not as bad as some of the other ones. Some of the other ones, it's like, here's your full phone number. Hear that, chat? You're in control. What a fucking sketch-ass thing here. Turn on personalized ads. Keep less relevant ads. I don't fucking want any ads. I have so many notifications. Oh my god. Holy shit. It's mostly me, to BH. Hey. We can retweet that. Hey. Seems legit. I don't log in this comp very often. Cool. Have a retweet, friendo. Alright, that's enough. Pre-commit slash pre-commit hooks. 4.0 has been released. And a new check. What is the fucking name? Or just copy paste it. Because I'm not gonna type that. Oh, that's gonna fuck this up. And add some new features and fixes for a bunch of other things. You can an update today or wait for pre-commit CI to do it for you. Gotta shill my stuff where I can. Oh, just under the tweet limit. Perfect. Then I can retweet it myself. Hello? Here we go. Wow. Whoops. Retweet. Done. Done. Prague says, I fixed it. I copied some guy's pre-commit YAML from the internet, and his project does care about what type plugin that I don't. It was yours. I'm copying you. Plugate typing imports. Oh, I see. So you can set the minimum Python version and then it won't complain about that. Yeah. Zadir says, why the fuck is the Russian language so weird? I don't know. Grim says the GitHub thing. Oh, yeah. Grim says, getting there, 5 failed, 149 passed, 4 errors. Yeah, you're making some progress there. You're in control of your ads. Mate, how about no ads? Exactly, Stephen Mendito. Hey, Mimaron, hello. I retweeted Spirit. Did you just assume Markdown formatting? Did I type Markdown into Twitter? I did, didn't I? Damn it. Oh well. Good enough. Chip it. Hey. Calculated 2 characters for me. It's true. 8675309. Right, rainy day tomorrow? It's true. Hey, thank you, friendos. Alright, we're gonna close out of this. Alright. We've been going for 3 hours. I've had enough to drink. We're gonna drop this raid on some other channel. But thank you all for stopping by. It's been a lot of fun today. Got a lot done. I'm feeling productive. Feeling happy. Feels like this was a good one. Yeah, I'm gonna go drink a bunch of water. Marsha, it's true. But let me do my little spiel. My name is Anthony. I upload my previous content to YouTube, and that's youtube.com/AnthonyWritesCode. You can also check out my daily educational videos. I try and upload daily. Check this one out. This one, real cool rant/story about a absolute shit show that happened at Yelp. So check that out. But yeah, youtube.com/AnthonyRainsCode. I normally stream on Mondays at 6 p.m. and Saturdays at noon in Pacific time. But sometimes I stream on other days, like today, and I announce my streams on Twitter, and that is twitter.com/codewithanthony. Thank you, Marsha, for linking me up there, where I basically say, this is what I'm going to work on, and then sometimes we do it, and sometimes we don't. Somebody replied to this. Oh, Gabernat. Love you, buddy. Really repping the stream there. Oh, man, so good. I also announced my streams on Discord, and you are free to join. It's a cool place to hang out. We have a beginners channel if you want to ask questions about programming, and there's a lot of smart people that can help you out there. So join the Discord, hang out with us. There's also, memes, animals, food, and other stuff too. And there's my favorite channel, which is Yell at the Clouds, which if you're just having a shit day, you can just go into Yell at the Clouds and just scream at nothing. It's great. I love it. But anyway, thank you all for stopping by, and let's go find someone to raid.